Hey everybody! So, it's a fun day today. I got my order from Trop Exotic in. I only got one thing this time, and I'm very excited about it. How often do I only get one thing so you know it's big, right? I got a new hand. So, let me tell you what's going on with this one. This hand comes with an affixed clamp. I don't know if you guys have the same issues I have with the clamps. I can't get them to stay up. Like, they tip over if there's suction or the hand falls out. This one is not coming off. Not at all. It's got a pretty cool adjustable clamp. I put water on it because it helps it stick to my table better with the suction. So it adjusts here to raise it back and forth like so. And then it's got this ball pivot right here. So you just loosen that and you can spin it any which way you want, which is pretty handy for me. Now, let's go over some of the attributes of this one real quick. Let me clamp that down. There we go. Now, there's a reason I wanted this one in particular. The clamp, first of all. I'm gonna grab my other hand as well so I can show you guys the differences. Now, I don't know where else you can get this. I got this on her site. This was one of the only places I had seen it at. It is a little more expensive, but on her site you can use Sezzle, which helps me a lot. And anytime I can buy from a small business, I would much rather do that than give Amazon more of my money. They get plenty of my money. So anyway, it was a little more expensive, but there's a reason. When compared to my other silicone hand, looked great, very realistic, but then I put these side by side. You see what I mean? This one, however, let's zoom in here. This one has so much detail. I got it kind of dusty because I already pulled it out and played with it because, you know, I couldn't wait. I just couldn't do it. I can't. I don't have the patience for it. Now, this one even has fingerprints. Like, it's crazy. You can see the prints on the hands. It's crazy realistic. Like, it's insane, right? Now, a couple other things that I want to point out with this one. Why I thought it was worth the extra. The fingers aren't posable, which may sound like a drawback, but let me show you guys something. On this hand, this is the Know You hand, which it was a great hand, don't get me wrong. On this one, when you pose the fingers, they don't really pose naturally and they don't go back into the right shape. Like, they never look the same again. If you look at my videos, you see me constantly turning this finger back the right way. And when you put nails in it, you get these weird lumps right here. You can kind of see what I'm talking about. Also, I want to show you the cuticle difference. This one is not posable, but you have enough room to work and the fingers move very easily, which I like because it works more like, you guys know when you're doing someone's nails how they won't, like, they always stiffen their hands up. So it gives you a more realistic experience. Most people don't let you pose their fingers and leave them that way, so this is more accurate. Also, let's look at these cuticles. So you can see those, and these were the upgraded super thick cuticles. Keep that in mind, okay? These were the better ones. I'm going to show you these ones. See that? Let's look at them side by side. If we can. We'll try. We'll give it a shot. So, side by side, you can see the difference in these. They're super thin. They roll back. These will not do that. And I'm going to prove that to you. Also, this one, you can only hit it so many times with the drill before this starts to happen. See the cracks in the cuticles? Now, I am what is known as an aggressive filer. I'm always gonna, like, I'm in a 12-step program for it right now. I'm working on getting help, but at this time, I am still an aggressive filer, and I don't see that going away anytime soon. I'm brutal. Now, watch this. My drill, ceramic bit. Watch this. Not a mark on it, right? And I'm digging it in there, like, not a mark. It also doesn't take away the detail. The skin on this is so much tougher, like it's insane. And no matter what you do to it, it goes right back into shape. And I love the clamp. Like, that's what really sold me on it. I don't have to deal with it falling out of the clamp and readjusting and readjusting. Now, when you compare that to this, it looks kind of, yeah. So, anyway. Also, she, for whatever reason, always throws extra goodies in the orders. This came with a little baggie of see-through tips that go in here, like that you use as the replaceable nail beds. It came with like 20. That comes from the manufacturer, and it came in this super nice bag, which I love. She threw in a bag of about 600 of the same kind. These are the ones that you put inside here, and then you glue your tips to and whatnot. So that's really cool. That saves. I've got about 6 years worth of tips here to use on the hand. Let me show you. And that's just the way I like to do it. Some people use the super long stilettos. Also, guys, I will be doing a how-to demo thing with the silicone hand just to go over some speed bumps and tips and tricks. I'll be doing that probably later today. So these you put in here and you cut it down till it's like a natural nail, and then you glue your tip onto there. So I have enough for the next year, literally. So I thought that was really cool. Like, you know, she doesn't have to do that. I appreciate it. It's a young lady, started her own business. You know, she's doing everything on her own. So I definitely want to support that if I get the chance. And like I said, she does take Sezzle on her site. So, and it's still cheaper than Red Iguana. Let me point that out. It's still much cheaper for the whole hand. And they don't even come with the clamps. So, you know, whatever. Also, she threw these in, which are friggin' adorable. I love it. I will include the link to the hand. I think I bought her last one and she's restocking now. So I will include the link if you guys want to purchase one. I cannot speak highly enough. I love this hand. It is so tough, but it still looks realistic. Like, usually when they're sturdy, they don't look this real. And my daughter pointed out, because of the fingerprints, like, you could frame somebody. You could murder somebody and get away with it because... Well, maybe not. Okay, so we don't know if this person was a nice person or not. He may have been a great person, or she, whatever, and maybe don't frame them for murder, but you could if you if you wanted to. Just a thought. Anyway, I will include the link down in the description box. You guys check out her site. She has some amazing acrylic colors. She's got a ton of stuff, and like I said, she's a young lady starting her own business, so who doesn't want to support that? I'm doing a couple giveaways this week. I'll be doing a high wattage nail lamp by Hermonas, and I got duplicates of all my Shine Haul, which I will be reviewing them to see if they're like Wish or if they're actually good products, and I will be giving away copies of everything you see. So make sure you guys have notifications turned on so you can be entered to win those. And at 400 subscribers, we are going to do the Young Nails Core Kit giveaway. And we're almost there. We got like 50 more to go. So definitely want to see which one of my lucky subscribers gets to win that and get started on their nail journey. So keep your ears open, guys. And as always, thanks for watching.